2024 Infiniti QX60 Review, Price, and Specs. The Infiniti QX60 had a complete makeover for the 2022 model year, and as we look ahead to 2024, we anticipate that the vehicle will remain a carryover with minimal alterations. This indicates that the QX60's contemporary design, which includes slender headlamps, an oval grille, and sharp body lines, will carry through to its second generation. The SUV also features a circular liftgate and triangle tail lights that wrap around the sides of the vehicle. The introduction of the 2023 Infiniti QX60 makes us anticipate the 2024 QX60 will be released after 2023. Although the pricing of the 2024 model has not yet been disclosed, it is anticipated that it will start around the same price as the present QX60, which costs $50,465 when destination fees are added. As buyers of luxury SUVs have shown a preference for the QX60, it still faces strong competition from other competitors in the segment. The Mazda CX-90, BMW X5, and Acura RDX are really just a few examples of the QX60's strong rivals. The inside of the cabin is anticipated to retain its current design, which includes a simplistic dashboard, easy-to-use tactile controls on the center console, and a trim piece that spans the width of the dash and conceals the air vents. A 17.2-speaker Bose premium sound system, a 12.3-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and a 10.8-inch head-up display are all included as standard tech features. A 9-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, a wireless charging pad, a motion-activated power liftgate, and a satellite radio are all available extras. The 2024 Infiniti QX60 is anticipated to keep all of these characteristics. The current QX60 has a V6 engine that produces 295 horsepower, and it is mated to a 9-speed automated transmission. All-wheel drive is an option for individuals who like it but is not required. For the 2024 model year, we anticipate that this powertrain won't change. The QX60 has automated emergency braking as standard equipment, as well as front automatic braking, traffic sign recognition, lane departure warning, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, a driver attention monitor, and automatic high beam assistance. Optional features include parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic warning. These safety measures are anticipated to remain available in the 2024 Infiniti QX60.
you.